Gotta get this.
Already, never did it before.
She'll bottom out for you. Go all the way out again and work it.
Make me learn it.
All right, well, you gotta learn it. You gotta learn.
I moved over a little bit to try to get it. He's just a blasting over there. All right, here goes this lady again. Still trying there. That one on the end, I think the farther you go over, the worse it gets, you know. Look at that trailer. I don't know if you can see the angle from here though, or, you know, on your side there. It's like twisted sideways is what it is like. Look out, guys. I might have heard the thing up there, I'm not sure. Wow. When all else fails, power it, baby. Power it on. Fast boat in over there. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Hey, man. Hope you had fun out there, caught something maybe. I'm not sure they heard me. That's a cool looking boat. I wonder what kind that was. That big boat, I think they're just getting it up on there. This one's almost there. Motor up. I think they're about out of there. Take it home. Trailer out. Oh yeah. Boy, it's a hot day today, guys. I hope it's starting to warm up there, but I see the weather's supposed to get real bad this weekend up the East Coast. Well, you know, this weekend's supposed to be in the 80s here Saturday. Today's Friday. It's in the 80s today. 80s Saturday. Sunday's supposed to go right straight downhill. Monday it's not supposed to get out of the 60s. And Monday night is supposed to be in the 30s and the 20s in some places. So we have 80s, 80s to 20s. Crazy weather here in Florida. Trailer coming in. Here comes another Sea-Doo, it looks like, over there, guys. Yeah, you can tell when it gets hot. I think it died out. I think. Gotta go.
Stop. Don't go, just stop.
It's kind of Sea-Doo's yelling about something down there. Not sure what he was yelling about. All right. They out. They out.
Renee, shut the music off. Coming over here.
Maybe this lady's new at this. I'm not sure. The guy's up there telling her what to do.
You're going to go in face first. You can use that tide button, up or down. You just press hold and put it. You can control and then it should work.
Oh yeah, Sea Pro. What? Those guys might have went out when we first got here. She's getting there. Sometimes those Sea-Doos during the summertime get pretty wild to watch out here. They gather up out here and they have a whole big group that goes out. Got us a roughneck boat. They might just name them, because I know we named our boat. My brother is really good on a set of skis. He would barefoot ski and all kinds of stuff. So we named the boat Barefoot. And yeah, it was pretty wild back then. I'd be driving a boat. We always had a big motor once we got to that point, you know, and he would be back there, you know, barefoot skiing, wakeboarding. It was for the whole family too, you know, but my sisters tried it. My one sister was real good at it. The other sister, she flipped the board and, well, ended up getting hurt. So they always tried though. All right. Boat right here waiting for the trailer. A little aluminum boat coming in. All right, to get this one off. A lot of boats over there trying to wrap it up and get out of here. Boy, that looks like a pretty cool boat. It's all set up. Fish finders in there and all kinds of stuff. Hey guys, hope you had fun out there.
Oh, yeah.
Good, good, good. Live life. It only goes by once, so. Okay. Have fun. All right, they're trying to get this boat out of here, guys. Trailer coming for the other boat here, roughneck boat. Gonna get the shove off here. Oh, look out. Almost hit the dock there. I heard a guy yelling, he's telling this guy, that's good. He's got that trailer completely into the water. Okay, they're coming out of there. Going for the trailer. Bring it in there, Big Daddy. You watching back there, Milo? Milo came today with us too. He's standing back there looking. Oh, I thought that trailer there was theirs. Oh, that's a Sea-Doo trailer. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Going for the trailer. It's coming in there. I see it now. Okay. Boy, a lot of stuff's happening here at one time. Getting the run. He's going for it. Yeah. Boy, I hope I can see that, guys. Man, it's too late to move. Oh, look out. This lady's trying to go on the... Oh, they're arguing up there. Guy over here is still getting it like crazy, man. I moved over a little bit to try to get it. He's just a blasting over there. All right, here goes this lady again. Wow. Crazy, man, crazy. Yeah. Gotta get this.
Already, never did it before.
She'll bottom out. Go all the way out again and work All right, well, you gotta learn it. You gotta learn. You're making the video right now, just so you know.
I shot the guy a thumb up there. He shot me a thumb too. I didn't catch it on here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, so much stuff going down at one time. There you go, just real easy. You got it.
There you go, good.
Good, good, good.
You gotta spin, go the other way. We're spinning that way. There you go, straight and straight in. Yes. Are you good? Just hold it in. That's better.
He was just letting it rip, that's for sure.
Once you're in the middle of those two, you're golden. You'll fight the
This guy's trying to explain to her what happened or how to do it.
That's pretty nice, really.
Do me a favor, just pop off there, Bob.
He's out.
Just put it, because I won't be able to get the bumpers. Just spin it and jump off the yeah, the back one, just put it on your deck.
Wrapping it up there. Getting the poles put away, getting everything straightened up. This guy's sliding out. I thought he was out. He's just about out. But look out. It's gonna fall in yet, guys. It's gonna fall in yet. Oh my. Here comes the other guy. He got that. Okay. Crazy, guys. Crazy. You never know what you're going to see over here, you know? You just never know what you're going to see. Unbelievable. I don't think the lady knows exactly what to do, I guess. I don't know. People trying to get off this boat, get out of here. Take it home. Yeah. Trying to work her way off the Sea-Doo, I think, there. Well, maybe she's gonna ride out. Well, we might just call it Milo's new adventure. Go home. Gotta try to get something together for tomorrow if we possibly can. What I'm thinking, trying. Oh yeah. They're out with the Sea-Doo.